aired it, so I'm gonna watch this film because I heard it's good. After watching The Intern, I'm going to watch Washington Square, starring Jennifer Jason Leigh, Martin Finley, and Ben Chuck. DVD video. That film's a Warner Brothers DVD, so yeah. Falling Prey is a communist feature for Motion Picture Association America Inc. That Warner Bros. Film from 2015 on DVD, so...
About a boy who would never grow up. About the pirate who wished to catch him. About the island where fairies roamed. But this isn't a story you've heard before. Because sometimes, friends begin as enemies, and enemies begin as friends. Sometimes, to truly understand how things end, we must first know how they begin.
Welcome to
Trust me.
We have an ancient prophecy for when the fairy
Ancient prophecy.
The prophecy tells of a boy who would lead an uprising against me. A boy who could fly. I'll be dark.
From this.
Hurry! You have to get us off this island. That boy makes it to the natives. All will be lost.
We've been waiting for you, Peter. Blackbeard won't stop searching. There's only one place he wouldn't dare look.
So pirates are afraid of Mermaid Lagoon?
Because of crocodiles. Afraid? Holy Pluto! It was written, when you return, we will unite our people against the pirates.
Mind if I cut it?
Whatever failed to fulfill the prophecy? And what if you failed to try? If you don't believe Peter, then neither will they.
You can't stay a kid forever, even in Neverland. Wakey, wakey!
I will never back to you. Do you know how to work a ship?
How hard can it be? It's still a lot harder than it looks! We're sailing now!
Pan. Oh no, on digital, HD, and Blu-ray. Falling Prey is a communist feature for the Motion Picture Association America Inc.
She is the brightest and most innovative. The best campaign strategist in the game. Responsible for the greatest political upset in history.
You're a fighter, Jane. I'm giving you another shot at the title.
It's a presidential campaign in South America. Fragile democracy, economy in real trouble. Our candidate is considered arrogant and out of touch with people's lives.
How far are you behind?
28 points.
The opposition has hired their own Americans. That candy.
Jane Bodine.
Pat,
So what are you doing here? I thought you retired or gave up or something.
what happened to your hair?
So you still got a great sense of humor.
How many times have
The
you gone
credits
against
are
Candy?
calling out during this
How many times have
crisis.
he beat you?
3 or 4 times. If we want to win, we're going to have to take risks. You're my track record. Every event that Rivera attends, every speech you take, if security beats you up, you are doing your job right. Get that meeting on tape. Wake up. This is
Billy
war.
Bob Thornton.
There's only one wrong in this. Only one, and that is losing. Let me check and see if anyone understood that. Levanten la mano si habla inglés. Gracias. You should
From
feel
George
something
Clooney.
during the interview,
Sure.
like you have some tears. Could you just turn towards the camera? Whoa, whoa, look at that.
This is it.
Thanks for candy now, I swear to God.
This actually kind of matters, Jane. This country could go under. We're talking about people's lives.
You like to pretend you're not one of us. If you fight with monsters for too long, you become a monster.
Hey, is this your neighborhood? Where you live?
People will get hurt. What are you going to do?
We are trying to save people's lives. These are the stakes. And I'm not going to stand by and watch as this nation falls apart. This is no longer an election. This is a crisis.
Outran this Christmas.
You're going to shoot the commercial, por favor. Vamos. This animal will lead us to prosperity.
Oh.
No, Marco!
He killed himself rather than being one of our commercials.
Following previous author, Point Dolly Choose Motion Picture Association America.
What are you looking at here, Mr. Manley? This is no meteor. This is something much more serious.
Hey there, Scout. Jeff Ansley.
You work for the government.
I have something for you.
Where did you find that?
Up at the power station.
Bogart was out there the other night.
Really? See anything unusual, Hogarth?
The Iron Giant on Blu-ray.
Thing unusual, really.
From Brad Bird.
So, I guess you're not gonna hurt me, huh?
From the Academy Award-winning Incredibles Attitude.
I'm the luckiest kid in America.
Where'd he come from?
He doesn't remember. He's like a little kid.
Little,
16
yeah.
years old.
It's like that giant thing in the woods. We don't know what it can do.
What are you talking about?
You think this middleman is fun, but who built it? The Russians, the Chinese, Martians, Canadians? I don't care. You are going to tell me about this thing, and we are going to destroy it before it destroys us.
We gotta show them you're good. You are what you choose to be.
I'm Superman. We must stop it at all costs.
Run, get out of here! Run!
Ready to attack?
My son is out there! We've gotta help him. Hogarth, no! I'm swimming! Giant?
Oh, God.
The Iron Giant Signature Edition. Available on digital HD.
Where do you keep your Blu-rays and DVDs? In here? In here? On this? Under here? How about all over here? Why not take those DVDs and Blu-rays you already own and upgrade them to digital movies? It's easy and takes practically no time. Just pop the DVD or Blu-ray disc into your computer, log on to the Disc to Digital website, and that's it. Your disc is now a digital movie. Now you have the freedom to watch and share movies like never before. Here, here, and here. It's a great way to get the most out of the movies you already own. Go to warnerbrothers.com/disc to digital to find out how to upgrade your Blu-rays and DVDs.
It's time to stop searching for that new movie you want to see. The time is upon us. And Start watching digital movies. That's fantastic. With digital movies, you get the latest movies. So what do you want?
I think you know what I want.
When you want them.
I want them now!
Instantly. Before anywhere else.
You are in for a surprise.
I am so pumped up! And you'll be able to watch them here, there, and everywhere. Let's go! Are you ready, my son? Instant. Easy. Everywhere. Digital movies in HD.
The great Oz has spoken.
Stop searching. Start watching. At your favorite online movie store.
Yeah. Yeah. By the classification rating administration, www.filmworks.com, PAA.org.